Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Google. Open up your Google search. Next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on the profile icon. Go ahead and click on Google account. Go ahead and click on password manager. Then here you go. You have all your passwords saved right here in your Google search. Then from here, you can click on any of the website or app right here to fill your saved password in Google. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Google search, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.